What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be telling you guys how to install the ComfyUI in your Windows, Mac or your Linux laptops. So for that the process is very simple, to the point and easy. Let's dive right into the video. So what you have to do is to visit this link comfy.org/download. Once you're in it, all you have to do is to navigate down and you will see multiple options. One is for the download for Windows, second one is for download for Mac, and then you can install it from the GitHub. This option is for the Linux or the other Ubuntu operating system that doesn't operate on the Windows or Mac. So it must requires an NVIDIA or AMD graphic card, requires, or if you're using it for the Mac, it requires Apple Silicon M Series K. For me, it's Windows, so I just gonna click on this one, and then your downloadation will start. Once it's been downloaded, all you have to do is to run the setup and install it. Make sure that you already have a Stable Diffusion model installed in your PC. If you haven't downloaded it, there's a separate video on the top right banner. Just go ahead and click on that and you'll be able to download the Stable Diffusion model. Once you have done that, just install the setup and it will navigate you to another page which will open up the dashboard. From here you can create your images or set up your workflows for that. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.